Error Pufferfish ruining your adventure? The fix is simpler than you think. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are tackling Minecraft Error Code Pufferfish, a frustrating issue that blocks players from logging in or accessing their worlds. This error often comes from storage permission problems, corrupted files, or account sync glitches. With a few quick fixes, you can clear the error and get back to building without interruptions. Method 1. Re-log into Microsoft account. Error Pufferfish means there is an issue signing in. Refreshing your login can help bypass the error. Follow these steps to do so. Open Minecraft and sign out of your Microsoft account. Close the game completely. Restart your device. Launch Minecraft again and sign back in with your Microsoft account credentials. Method 2. Check the edition and version of Minecraft. Make sure you and your friend or the server you are joining are using the same edition and version of Minecraft. Update the game if needed, restart your device and then try connecting again. Method 3. Check available storage space. The Minecraft Pufferfish error often points to system resources or storage issues. So confirm that your PC has enough free disk. Here is how you can check quickly. Open File Explorer. Press Win key plus E to open File Explorer. Go to this PC. You will see all your drives listed. Usually C is your main drive. Look under each drive for the storage bar. It shows how much space is used and how much is free. You can also right-click the drive, then select Properties, then check Free and Used Space. Method 4. Close unnecessary running programs. The next thing you can do is end unnecessary background processes that might interfere with Minecraft. Right-click on the Windows Start bar and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the process you want to close. Select the End Task option. Repeat the same for each task you want to kill. Then exit the window. Apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, Google Chrome, MSI Afterburner, and RivaTuner are some that you should close before playing Minecraft. Method 5. Check internet connection. If you do not have a stable internet connection, you will not be able to access the Minecraft servers, and this can be the reason for the error. So click on the internet icon at the notification tray and check if you are properly connected to a network. You may also check the internet speed from speedtest.net. Often, a fresh restart can also fix Minecraft errors and help you to access the Minecraft server. So restart your PC and the router, relaunch Minecraft and see if this can fix the problem. Method 6. Troubleshoot graphics drivers. Troubleshoot the graphics drivers. The next thing you should do is troubleshoot your graphics drivers because outdated drivers cannot support required features. Corrupted drivers break the connection between the game and the GPU, and incompatible updates cause conflicts that stop Minecraft from running. Right-click on the Windows search button and choose Device Manager. Go to the Display Adapter section and then expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver. Select the Update Driver option. Click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option and follow the instructions provided on screen to download and install the latest driver. If updating graphics drivers doesn't work, you can reinstall them. Expand the Display Adapter section and right-click on your graphics driver. Click on the Uninstall Device option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After installation of the drivers, install them again. For the AMD graphics driver, install the Radeon app, then run it. Similarly, for NVIDIA graphics drivers, install and run the GeForce Experience. You should visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics card drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. Then rerun the app to check for any updates. If any updates are available, download and install them. Method 7. Repair or reset Minecraft launcher. Without reinstalling the entire game, follow these steps. Press Windows key plus I to open settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Minecraft Launcher. Click on it and select Advanced Options. Choose Repair first. If the issue persists, select Reset. Relaunch Minecraft Launcher as administrator. Method 8. Reinstall Minecraft. If none of the methods work, a clean reinstall of Minecraft ensures all files are fresh and properly configured. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Minecraft in the list. Click on the three dots menu and then uninstall and confirm. Open your browser and visit the official Minecraft website. Download the latest installer for Windows. Once done, launch Minecraft and sign in with your Microsoft account. And that's how you fix Minecraft Error Code Pufferfish. By checking storage permissions, clearing cache, repairing files, and verifying your account, you will eliminate the error and restore smooth gameplay. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more practical Minecraft and Windows fixes, and share your own troubleshooting tips in the comments, because your solution might help another player too. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.